hi, Daddy.
You what, Shayna?
Mmm. Pork.
I'm eating right now, hon. Isabel, look at it.
Easy.
Hmm.
Where's the sweet tea at?
In the freezer. Chilling.
Oh, y'all. Who put sweet tea in a freezer?
Your daddy?
And they poured it in the sink.
Yeah, Jerry, you pour it down the sink.
Okay.
Go spill it.
Y'all are boring. You need to do something.
They talk about your food. You may sing?
Yes, go ahead.
You're gay. Trying to think of a good song. Daddy, talk about your food.
Mmm.
Barefoot Blue Jean Night. I know you know that whole song.
Mmm. Mmm.
Hey, is that okra?
Mmm.
Yum. You sound like you're having sex with the yogurt.
Mmm.
That was ugly. That was so ugly.
She give me okra.
Nice. That was not nice.
That okra is hot. Hmm.
Mmm. Mmm.
Okay, say bye. Say bye. Say bye.
It's my pussy cat.
Hello, kitty.